Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, as usual, we have two different job openings from two different companies to discuss in this video. So this video is particularly for coding and non-coding related, that is BE, BTech, BCA, BBA, BCom, whatever graduation you belong to, you have a job here. Okay, so let's discuss that in detail, like which job is for that and which job is for this. So please do watch to clarify all your doubts. Okay, so let's get started with the first one, that is PayPal itself. So before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please put it at all so that like when we upload any of the videos, you'll be getting notified, so you won't miss any kind of opportunities. Okay, so basically this kind of hiring or the recruitment videos that I usually present, this will be having some expiry link, or if the candidature is saturated, then the companies will be withdrawing the link, so you may miss the opportunity. So not to fall upon that, you can make sure that you subscribe and activate the bell icon as well. Okay, so yes, we do provide everything related to your placement requirements, from the hiring, like the openings available, till you sign off from the interview. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on to the first job, that is at PayPal today. So PayPal is hiring for the software engineer one. Okay, one that is it is a first grade. So yes, yeah, you can see here, this is the responsibilities requirements. So let's start with the responsibilities itself, like what will be doing there. So you'll get to know like what all things must be there in you to perform those activities. So be able to independently design, code and test complex features and mentor junior engineers, drive both technology and product innovation through rapid prototyping and iterative development, identify any product or functionality gaps and collaborate internal product and technology teams to define the necessary development to support solution delivery. Proactive response in identifying and troubleshooting integration or technical issues, supporting your applications and or services as and when required on a 24/7 basis. Okay, so basically you must know like complete software development lifecycle and should be able to travel through both everything. And if there is something, you need to get support from your core members, and if there is, you need to mentor the junior engineers as well. So these are the tasks that you'll be performing. Okay, and you must be supportive in 24/7 basis, that is there will be shifts, it will be shift basis. And next is the requirements, that is the eligibility criteria. 0 to 1 years of experience in developing front-end and full-stack application. Okay, so if you have zero experience to, if you have till one experience, if you have taken some internships or whatever related to that, still you can apply for that. And if you like 0 years of experience, in the sense you must have an idea like what is the front-end developing and also full-stack applications. Now, deep familiarity with JavaScript, Node.js, React, Angular, Java, and Spring framework. Experience with the web front-end technologies such as HTML5, CSS, Webpack, Less, Bootstrap. Good understanding and experience applying advanced object-oriented design and development principles and familiar with the Java and framework. So front-end development and this full stack is what they are thrusting upon. So basically this web designing kind of things is coming up here in a wider sense. So if you are good at that, then this job is particularly for you. And experience with unit testing and tools, experience using industry standard software development tools. So these are the tools. Strong debugging and problem resolution skills, excellent communication soft skills, expertise in online payments and related domain as a plus. Okay. So basically this PayPal is a kind of online payments, commercial payments thing. So if you have the domain knowledge, then that will be great. That will be an added advantage. But in here, they have been mentioned about this is the particular graduates who should apply for this. They haven't mentioned regarding that, but they want you to know the basic things that a software engineer will be performing at the PayPal. That's why they have mentioned these many technologies you must know. And this is a kind of front-end web designing kind of things, and also some backend works also they have mentioned. Okay, so if you're very familiar to this, then this job is for you. You can definitely try upon this. So yes, that's it. And the location now is Hyderabad, and maybe now it will be work from home. That's why they have mentioned travel percentage is 0. So yes, that's all about the details. So coming to the batch details in here, every passed out batches can try applying to here. So till 2021, the batches will be passed out, right? So till then, whoever is applicable for this job role can apply it, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so to apply for that, you can click on this apply button, and I'm opting for apply manually. So it is necessary to log in. If you don't have a login credentials, you can create one here by this create account. So I'll just show you like how the application form looks like after login. So this is the application process. First, we'll be having my experience, my information. So your personal information, address, everything, phone number, everything you can give. Next will be the my experience. You can give your experience if you have any. If else, you can just put it nil, no, or if it is not mandatory, just leave it as it. Okay. Now, if you have any internship experience too, you can provide that as well. And application questions will be there. After that, voluntary disclose, then review your application, then submit. Okay. So these are the basic steps for the application process. So once you're done with that, please have a look at it, like open your profile and have a look, there's any progress or that or no. And if you have any progress, obviously you will get a mail, but still it is very important to keep a track of your like application. Okay, so that's it. And now coming to CTC, obviously PayPal is a high paying company. So like average ST, that is software engineer one, associate one, CTC is 12 LPAs, but when it take into consideration, starting it is from 9 plus LPAs for 0 years of experience. According to the experience criteria that you are having, it do varies to pay person to person. Okay, so average PayPal like starting salary is 9 LPAs. It's greater than 9 actually. It's not 9 plus LPAs. So if you wish to join here, it's worth joining in case of LPAs as well as in case of exposure, everything. No company is bigger, no company is superior. So if you wish to get in, you can try applying to that with the link that I've mentioned in the description. Please to apply to the earliest. Okay, so I think everything related to the PayPal job available today is pretty much clear. So here we have a next job opening, which is new associate query management. So this to this position, multiple job openings is coming up these days. So they need a lot of candidates, it seems. So if you wish to apply it, then do apply it. Maybe some kind of replay may come up from them. Okay, so query management, service desk, non-voice support, new associate, location is Hyderabad, any graduate, then 0 to 1 years of experience. So any graduate in the sense, any graduate, like BE, BTech, then BSc, BCom, BBA. So previously into my few of my videos, I saw comments like, I'm a BBA student, do I have any job? I'm a BCom student, do I have any job? So if those people are watching this video, you have a job here, you can apply to this job as well. So here to apply for that, you can click on the apply button and continue with the application process. So here associate like Accenture application, I have shown multiple times. You need to log in here. Then you need to upload your resume, then give your personal information like your contact details, address and everything. After that, give your education details, everything, and submit to the profile. Okay, so if you have already submitted for some job profiles, you can even re-upload your resume. That's fine. Actually, you can re-upload your resume. That will be better if you could customize once again, and if you could make it better and re-upload it, that will be great. Okay, so lastly updated will be showing up, and that will create like your application to go on a queue. Okay, so that's one of the brightest thing. And make sure that you give the phone number or email ID which you are using frequently. So if any notifications comes up from their side, you will get notified and hence you'll be getting picked up. Okay, so make sure all these simple things which is contributing a lot for your career. So yes, today as of now I have this much to like share with you. And yes, of course, the CTC about the Accenture. So basically 3 plus 3.2 LPS is a starting for 0 years of experience, and here they have mentioned like 0 to 1. So basically 0 years of experience will be having that, and 1 will be having obviously greater than that according to your previous experience criteria. So yes, that's about the openings that I had today. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and also suggestions regarding the video content, welcome to the comment section. So friends, everybody, please do apply it at the earliest. Like, don't make it delay, apply it at the earliest, apply to many jobs, then only you will get like 1 or 2 calls from any of the companies if they are in need of your candidature. So make sure you do your part and the rest will happen. Okay, rest will happen anyway. So do complete your part and then wait for the response. Okay, so that's all guys. Everybody be safe, be cool and be optimistic. So that's all guys I had for today. Thank you everyone and see you soon. Bye.